Okay, this is the problem I'm having with my 2014 XF 7000. I was just on a little ride and it threw a code P1338. I looked in the manual, it said crankshaft chip or something detected. Anyway, I can't get the damn thing to start. I shut her down here at the end of a ride, or not the end of a ride, but halfway through the ride. And now it's just grinding the gear, so I just want to show you what the hell's on the go. So, turn it on. Watch what happens. She won't start. So anyway, I've only had it now since last week. 5 or 6 days old. 50 kilometers on it, not even that. And it's already giving me problems. Strange for a Yamaha motor. But anyway, back to the dealer it goes, see what they can do.